Hi everyone, Paul Von Felt here from Florida Beach Rentals, coming at you again live today at 11 a.m. I'm down here in Indian Rocks Beach today at a condo named Reef Club Unit 502. Beautiful unit. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It sleeps 8. It's about 1,300 square feet, built in 1983. I'm going to turn the camera around. Let's take a look. So this is the view off the balcony, and you're looking, this is a beachfront condo, as you can see. Pool is straight down below. Great pool area. You have tennis and what looks to be maybe a volleyball court. And it looks like a pool and hot tub, by the way. Beautiful day today. You can see the water is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna take a look at the balcony here, and then we'll walk inside and take a look at the condo. So when you walk in off of the balcony here, you go right into the living room. Leather sofa and love seat. I don't know if this is, it is not a sleeper sofa. Nice newer furniture, it looks like. TV, of course, cable television. Let's walk on through here. This is the dining room area for 6. This condo, by the way, sleeps 8. And we're looking into the kitchen area here. This is the hallway, by the way, that comes into the condo. And again, it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Looks like the appliances are newer. Countertops not quite so new, but it's nice, it's clean. I'm going to walk back the way we came so I can show you the master. Master bedroom has a king-size bed and an ensuite. TV in every room. This is the view off of the master. Same view we were just looking at. It's got a Juliet balcony. You can't walk out on it, of course, but you could just certainly open the sliding glass door and let the air breeze through on a nice day. And then this is the balcony we were just on. This ensuite also has a walk-in closet. Looks like with lots of extra linens and a few things to go to the beach. This is the ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a shower. I'm going to head back out and around up to the front 2 bedrooms. But before we get there, let's take a look. And we have a washer and dryer in the unit. And then this is our guest bath with the shower combo tub. This is the 2nd bedroom. This is 2 full-size beds. This bedroom also has a view. Now right outside this window, by the way, is the walkway. So you more than likely don't want to leave this window open through overnight or while you're in here, but it does have a fabulous view. TV, of course. And we'll head on back out and I'll show you the last bedroom. Oh, this is the entryway to get into the place again. This is the 3rd bedroom, queen size bed, and it's got that same view we were just looking at out here over at the Gulf of Mexico. And TV, of course. So that's our tour of this condo. I also wanted to let you know what we have for sale, or what's for sale in this condo building. There is actually only one unit, it looks like. Unit 111 is also a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. That one's 1,300 square feet and is going at, or it's listed at $570,000. Just to give you an idea of what maybe this condo is worth. And if you're interested in buying a vacation rental type property, that's kind of what they're going for. I'm going to sign out here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll be here again tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me and we'll take a look at another condo. Have a wonderful day.